Costa everyone, and welcome to another episode of I Am Traveling. Today we're in Cincinnati, Ohio at Ault Park. The place was so beautiful and so interesting enough that I wanted you guys to join. So here we go. What up everyone? I am here at Ault Park in Cincinnati, Ohio. I thought I'd do a quick photo shoot and explore this park because I haven't explored anything yet since I've been here. So let's go after I don't get hit by these cars passing by. Ault Park is the fourth largest park in Cincinnati at 223 acres. It lies in the Mount Lookout neighborhood on the city's east side. The park was named in memory of Ida Mae Ault and her husband, Levi Addison Ault, who was also a former park commissioner that was prominently active in the Cincinnati Parks development. The initial 142-acre tract were gifts given by the Aults to Cincinnati. This place is as humid as Houston. I don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve. Trying not to get bit by any mosquitoes this time. Also, it smells weird. Weird. Alright, let's check out this spot. What you are seeing right now is the Hegan Overlook. The board valley that the overlook presents you with is the pre-glacial Ohio River. The stream enters Cincinnati by flowing past the California woods through the valley. Below the overlook flows the Little Miami River Valley. It originates near the Clifton Gorge Nature Preserve and a National Nature Landmark. Flowing through a deep gorge, wooded bluffs, and rolling farmlands, it is located between Dayton and Cincinnati, placing it within an hour's drive of over 3 million people. Let's see what kind of other mess I can get myself into. Let's see a trail. Let's go on a trail. Okay, we following these people. This is I Am Easy Pa and I Am Easy Ma. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm putting you guys on YouTube.
Oh,
Hi.
she said there's a private residence.
Oh, let's go check it out. You don't know. You won't know unless you check it out. Let's check this out. That'd be cool. Why find out?
Hello?
Pop, it's a bathroom.
Oh.
See, we wouldn't have known it's a bathroom unless we checked it, right? Yeah, let's cross the street. Look at this Jeep passing by. Huh?
The steering wheel's in the wrong side.
Not on the wrong side if we're in England.
I know.
Huh?
The steering wheel's on the other side.
Alright, gonna take pictures of this building up on the hill. Take you guys with me, let's go check it out. Hopefully I can find some names so I can get some good research and some knowledge into y'all. Pavilion was dedicated in 1930. It has an entrance consisting of a broad double flight of steps. Between them flows a water cascade. At the top of the steps, you see the pavilion's artistic columns. You can even get on top of the roof and enjoy a 360 view of the changing vistas. It's at the tippy top. We're gonna have to take some videos from the other side because you guys don't know what I'm looking at. Look at that. That was worth it. That's pretty. There's my parents over there. Ma! Hi. I don't know if this is it, but if it is, I'm gonna use this as my ending for now. So hopefully you guys learned a lot. from this place, and I'll see you soon. All right, guys, we are back. I hope you guys had a ton of fun with this one because I know I did. You guys got to meet my parents this time around, so who knows who's gonna be in the next. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you guys have been here before. I'd like to hear you guys' experience. Byyyyyeeeee, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! This time around,